Welcome to Gadget Solution. How to fix red blinking light on router. There is nothing quite as frustrating as being on your computer working, then suddenly, your network is gone. You look over to your router and get that dreaded blinking red light. A blinking red light is a sign that there is a complete disconnection with your internet. Below are some simple ways to fix that issue. Restart the router. The first course of action before trying anything complicated is to restart your router and modem. Unplug your router from the power supply completely and wait for 30 seconds to a full minute before plugging them both back in. You can also do the same with your modem. Check the cables. A complete break in internet connection could occur due to faulty cable connections. Thus, if restarting doesn't work, then check the cables, especially the cable which connects to your router from the modem. Adjusting the cable to ensure it is properly fixed could help reconnect the router to the internet. Also check the whole Ethernet cable from the modem to the router to see if it is broken. Thanks for watching.